And someone asked me that either I'm from Benue or is it Benin, like Eguns. I am not Egun, I am Yoruba girl. No, Yoruba woman. Yeah. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are coming across my video for the first time, my channel for the first time, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. Yeah, for my returning viewers, for my mentor or for my supporter. Thank you for supporting baby girl always. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Like, it's been a while I do vlog like this. Yeah, like a lot have been going on. Yeah, like I said to you guys before, we are trying to renovate this apartment. If you check my old video, you know that really did some work in this kitchen, but a lot is still going on. Yeah, so it's not easy. Oh my god, like DIY is not easy. Like, it's not easy at all. It's where we find ourselves, so you got to face everything. So I just want to carry you guys along with me today because I'm trying to cook and I don't want to show only the cooking. Like, I want to show this beautiful face. Yeah, so join me guys, and you can please like my video, you can help me share it too, and thanks for your support once again. So let us go. I'm going to show you guys what I go from supermarket. I went to supermarket earlier, but I could not video because I carry all my kids with me. Like, I take all of them with me. Mother of three is not easy. So I have to take all of them with me because there's no one at home. I have no choice than to take them with me. So I got some grocery and some other thing. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys now. So let us go. So these are the stuff I get there. Just these three tomato, and I got 3 breads, just a little stuff. Yeah, and I have these 3 beans. I got this baby biscuit with my baby milk. I just got one Fanta, and I have one onions here. I cannot forget my Pete's cereal, right? Look at what we got for 70 euro. 333. Like, I just when I was breastfeeding my baby, I don't know that I was keeping a lot of money. Like, I was saving a lot of money. If you are doing exclusive breastfeeding, please continue. If you don't want to be spending like me. Because this is my first time giving baby milk, like giving my baby milk. Yeah, although I let her suck reach to 11 months. Yeah, because I could not continue without chopping and being tired. So, and I start giving my baby milk. Come on, like, you got to get this. So I went for this. I tried Aptamil. I tried, there's one, I forgot Aptamil, and there is this Umani. Yeah, I tried Umani and Aptamil. I don't like the vibe. So when I tried this crescendo in Italy, yeah, the milk is, I'm in Italy, so I don't know if you can see another place. So when I tried this crescendo, oh my gosh, I love it so much. And my baby said even love her. When I was giving her Tamin and Umani, she didn't like it. She won't take it a lot like that. But as soon as I started giving her this crescendo, she can drink and drink and drink. But normally it has to be 3 times a day. So, as I was saying before, I don't know that I was saving money. A lot of money I was saving. Then I have to buy this 4 or 5 in a month. Then this biscuit, what is this biscuit? This biscuit or so. This biscuit, I can get 4 or 5 of it if my big kid did not touch it. So if I simply did not touch it, I'm going to give, like, I used to get 4 or 3 in a month, and I get this 4 or 5 in a month. I don't know, see now money I did see. So I was saving money, I didn't know. So if I give you a baby meal, I don't know if I spend a lot of money. Yeah, so yeah, so let's go. So I'm starting to fry my fish here. Like, I want to prepare rice and stew. Then I'm going to prepare ewa going. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really don't know that. I'm not going to add the onions immediately. I'm going to add the tomatoes first. Like another dimension. I love this tomato. Like I really love it so much. We want to prepare what up, madam? We want to prepare stew. The tomato is so good. It's not that smooth. Madam, what is it? I'm going to add my blended pepper, my onions. This locust bean, I'm going to add it. Like I said before, I don't want to cook frying something first. Like I don't want to fry anything first. I just want to feed that fresh, like another taste. We'll be frying things. So I'll be honest with you guys as I'm cooking this food. If it go well, I'm going to share it. So I'm going to mix everything together. Normally what you're supposed to do is to fry the onions, fry the locust bean, then you turn the tomato ball. Today I just want to prepare it this way. This manner, let me talk. I want to feed these onions, yeah. So I'm going to add my curry powder. I'm going to add, this is my mixed curry powder. I'm going to add a little bit. Then I'll add my salt, Maggi cube, my seasoning. Yeah, I'll be honest with you guys, 100% honest. If this still goes well, I'll surely say the truth. I just feel like, let me change this dimension. And then I'll cover it, let it cook in the medium heat. Then I'll surely come and tell you, can you say I slide this onion? Like this is what is Hungry Smith. Can you see the onion? I just slice it like that because I want to carry that honey off. Yeah, so I just let me go for another dimension. Yeah, in cooking my stew today because it can never be one way road. So we got to change our strategy. We got to strategize. No, we strategize. Is that correct? I don't know. I'm talking. So I said, let me just strategize. This guy is eating on our kitchen. So I want to wash these dishes now, these plates. Yeah. We are good to go. Like I'm trying to fry my stew for a while going. So I want to my meat, my mama, my fish. Whoa. Mama, I want more. What? Pomo. Yeah? Pomo. No, not only pomo. Pomoni. Doing video. This is what they call more your food. I don't say this creamy is sweet. Shy. So I'm going to add a little bit of this. I'm going to wash it with hot water or soak it with hot water. Yeah. So like Nigeria, oh my god. Everything down the cost everywhere for the whole world. So I'm going to leave it. So let me turn this together. I've tried to blend some crayfish. Like, is this thing okay like this? Oh, I'm going still. So this oil is so good. To have my onions. Alright guys, I'm done cooking. Yeah, I need to go and get ready for work now because I'm doing night work now. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys what I've prepared for today. Yeah. And someone asked me that either I'm from Benue or is it Benin, like Eguns. I am not Egun, I am Yoruba girl. No, Yoruba woman. Yeah. So I'm a Yoruba woman. I'm not a good because the person said, "Why did I? How did I know how to cook the ewa going and the stew?" I was like, I just know how to cook it. Like, when you are growing up, when you see people are cooking around you, you just be picky, like pick. You get. So that's how I know how to cook. Yeah. So I'm going to show you what I've prepared so far now that I'll go and get ready for work. Like, see you guys on my next video. Adios and bye. Ciao. This is my rice, this is my wagon stew, and I have my wagon itself there, and I have my stew. Yeah.